Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to play multiplayer on Terraria. Now firstly what you have to do, just simply get the game from Steam, so just simply search for the game, then just simply buy the game and then install it. And after that just simply open the game. So wait for a few seconds until the game opens. So when the game opens, up for the very first time, all you have to do is just simply go to multiplayer, then click on host and play, then click on new. Now enter the name of the character, let's say how to. Click on submit, then choose the path over here, then after choosing that click on create. Now over there you will find the server, click on that, then just simply select a world by clicking on new. So let's do it small and expert, then on this one crimson. Then all you have to do is just simply click on create. Now wait for a few seconds till the world is created. Now after the world has been created, click on that world. Now over here you will find few server options. So the first option is server multiplayer enabled. So if you want to enable this, just simply click on this and this will be enabled. Now after you enabled this, you will find two more options under it. The first option is allowed users. So if you want to allow the users by invite only, choose that option. Or you can also use only friends if you want that. Now in allow friends, you will have the option to turn this on or off. And in the other option, in invite only, again you will have an option friend can invite on off. So just simply choose which one you want. You can also invite your friend by pressing shift plus tab on your keyboard. Then you can just simply invite your friends from there as well. Now after doing all of that, all you have to do is just simply click on start, enter a server password, let's say 12345. Then just simply click on accept. Now the server is starting. So wait for the server to start. So that's it, and thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.